Hi, today I'm going to show you about auto landscape material in Unreal Engine. So first of all, I will create a folder, right button, open folder, material. I will place all of my material in here. Now drag and move these two material into here. Now I create another two folder. First folder is landscape material. Then I will create another folder, material 1, and I will create another one. Move here. Now create another one, material 2. Now copy the landscape material, drag and drop and copy, and I will name it F2. I will rename it M landscape 2. Now I will go to right button, material function, and I will create a material function. I name it landscape 2 material function. Now open it. Here is the material graph. Now I will create a make material attribute function, and from here base color I will add a texture sample and I will add it with base color. Now you will see a error, so I will drag and drop from text and add a input. I name it base color. From here I will create a parameter. I name it preview 1. Now I will make it straight all of it. Now I will copy these three and I will name it normal. And I will name it preview 2. Now I will open mblend script 2. I will delete this. I only need layer blend, and I will add another element. I name it auto, and the preview weight I give 1, which means full. And all other have 0 value, but only this auto have 1 value. So I will drag and make it on the top. You can see layer blend on the top, and I will select the material and I will click use material attribute, and this will minimize it. Now drag and drop the material function with to the material, copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I need only 3. From normal, right button, promote to parameter. It will create a param text object. I'll copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Add with base color, add with normal. Now Ctrl C, Ctrl V, create another 2 and add with landscape 2 material function again. Now I will create this param text object 2 time more and add with the rest landscape material function. So add the result to layer green, layer breathe, layer rock. It doesn't matter which name you give your layer, but it should be your perfect name. I mean, which can you remember. Now just change the name, otherwise all look like same. So we should change the name. I name it first normal. This should be first base color. I name it first base. This should be second normal. This should be second base. This should be third normal, and this should be third base. Now I will create more function to make work the auto layer. Now I'll add world align blend, and there is a two function, blend sharpness and blend bias. We need those two function. I click right button and promote to variable, and I name it first blend sharpness and first blend bias. Now from vertex normals I will add a function blend material attribute. Now we need this same function again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now I name it second blend sharpness and second blend bias. Add with auto. Add first to A and second to B. Now we are done. Compile and apply. Now right button, create a material instance, double click and open it. Now from here we can add any texture from here. It's up to us. So I add draws diffuse here and draws normal here, but we made a mistake. We add normal to the diffuse, so change it normal to normal and last diffuse to diffuse. Now add rough here. Add stone here. And from here add the stone normal and add any soil color here. I will add gravel or brick, a little bit darker. I choose a little bit darker texture. Brick clay normal, new, save it and take it all global scalar parameter. The first blend bias should be -70. Say first blend sharpness should be 230. Second blend bias should be -20, and second blend sharpness should be 50. This value you can change the value as your own preference. Now I will go to the landscape, from manage and new. I will create a landscape. Add the material instance to here and create. Here is our landscape, but it's black because our layer info is not included. So create layer info, third person map. I create layer info here. Now save all. If we go to the closer, we can see that our rock is in the top. But if you are in sculpting mode and if we sculpt, now we can see here is top is rock middle is breathe, and bottom is the grass. We can change brush size. So here it is. Now we just reverse it. The rock should be on grass place and grass should be on rock place. Change it as your own preference. It's depend on you which color and which normal map you want to add. Now save it. Now it's reverse. You can see if I sculpt now, just add a directional light so you can see more. And go to the landscape mode again, and if we sculpt, we can see that there is auto blend material happening here. It's look like nice. We can add erosion, add sculpt again. We can change is on our own preference. We can add ramp. So here the material auto blend in. That's the function we want. Now I will go to the new basic level and I will add a landscape height map. If you add height map, it will auto generate the material. That's what I want to show you. I will add the second one because the third one is high resolution. Now select the material in here and create. Now we don't have any material. Now if we apply auto, now we can see there is a auto material blend in and it's look very nice. If we lower the height, for, you can see now it more good view. So this is I want to show you. You can use auto material like that. So this is for today's tutorial. See you in next one.